Hey there, welcome to 771 Seacliff Drive in beautiful Aptos. We are very close to the beach, and this is a great beach bungalow. I hope you come to our open house, and that's this Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. This is a single-story home, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,120 square foot home, and it has almost 11,000 square foot. Let's take a look. What'd you think? I hope that you all join me from Saturday and Sunday this weekend from 1 to 4 p.m. at this great open house, and join me for some Mary Ann's ice cream. And I look forward to meeting you. Thanks. Bye.